There'll be times in life when it gets really hard to keep going, to find motivation in doing even the simplest of tasks in our day-to-day lives. If you have been feeling anything like this, like you don't have enough motivation to do stuff that you have to do, then don't worry. I've been there too. I want to help you get yourself motivated. Did you know that lack of motivation can actually be a sign of depression? Although this might not always be the case, thank God. A lack of motivation can also be because of an issue in your life that you are finding difficulties coping, or could also be because of an experience that has somehow affected your self-confidence. However bad it might sound, I've actually been through all of the situations that I just mentioned. I was let go of a job in spite of being a high performer, so all reasons to be unmotivated and depressed. Starting off on an entrepreneurial journey, working on my online business, especially as a solopreneur, handling everything single-handedly, and those who know will know how hard it can be to stay motivated on this journey, because there will be all reasons to lose your motivation. So yeah, long story short, I've been through many such situations both personally and professionally, wherein it has been almost impossible to stay positive and motivated. But still I've managed to stay mostly positive somehow and find my motivation. So here I am, sharing 15 of my tips with you that have actually helped me stay motivated. First tip would be to spend at least 5 minutes of your time every day in stillness, like in meditation. Meditation improves focus, aligns you with your center, and brings you closer to your why, meaning it helps you stay focused on your purpose in life. If you want to know more about meditation practice and how to set up a doable routine for yourself, I'll link it up here under the eye icon. Next step would be to get your body moving. Do some yoga or some exercise and make this a daily habit. I do my yoga every day and that helps me stay active and motivated. While we are at it, if you're feeling motivated with these tips, why don't you hit the like button? And if you're new to this channel, consider hitting the red subscribe button for more such content. Next tip would be to do some decluttering. Clean up your space, clear out the clutter around you. You could even try some switching up of your space, like moving to a different room, because you never know, that results in a change of energy that can actually bring in some new motivation for you. Next tip would be to stay away from negativity and negative self-talk. Focus on some positive self-talk, especially if you deal with a lot of self-sabotaging thoughts, and positive affirmations can help you with this. I have a list of positive affirmations that can bring in more positivity for you and make you more motivated, and I'll link that one up here too under the eye icon. Fifth step would be to surround yourself with positive people. Like we just spoke about positivity, the energy of people around you also matters. So try to keep it more positive. Get support from your friends and family, or you could even join a community support group if needed. This brings me to the next tip, which is to have a healthy competition with others. Go find yourself an accountability partner, and this can really help in making you stay motivated and accomplish your tasks and goals. And don't worry, I have covered how to accomplish your goals and my hacks for it in the coming tips. Seventh step would be to socialize. When you socialize, you get to listen to other people's stories. You could even just listen to podcasts, and almost everyone has a podcast these days. That way you'll get to listen to other people's difficult stories, what they've gone through, and how they've overcome those difficulties, and this can really help you get motivated. You can even go as far as helping someone in need, and trust me, this can be a great tool in inspiring and motivating you further. As we have been getting into deeper stuff, my next tip would be to find a strong why. Having a strong why for the things that you do, meaning having a strong reason behind why you're doing what you're doing, can get you really far in life. Remember to constantly remind yourself of your why, especially whenever you feel like you're losing track and losing your motivation. For instance, it could be your parents that you're doing this for, or your kids. So this could be a really powerful reason for you to stay motivated. We just touched upon goals earlier, but the next couple of tips are exclusively for that. The ninth tip would be to have a things to do list. Set goals on this list, but remember to create an action plan for that. Review them from time to time and commit to stay on track with your goals. I want to mention a hack here, since many don't tend to follow this, will be to make a list of small and achievable goals. Don't just overschedule just because you can and overwhelm yourself with bigger goals that you can't realistically handle. Break bigger tasks into manageable chunks. You could even start as small as one goal at a time. And the next tip would be to celebrate every little success of yours. This can be especially helpful when things are getting really tough. Rewarding yourself and celebrating your smaller wins can help you feel more positive about yourself and stay motivated. The next step is to make your boring and tedious tasks more fun. For instance, it can be listening to music while doing chores, or getting yourself a fitness tracker to track the calories that you have burned while working out, or the steps that you took while walking. So little things like that can do wonders in helping you stay motivated. The next step would be to think about the benefits of the task and not just the difficulties that you have to go through. Don't just focus on how hard something is and lose your motivation, but rather focus on the results that you'll get by doing it, and this can get you really motivated. For instance, if you're not finding enough motivation to do your workouts maybe, then you have to think about the benefits and results that you will get by working out, like losing some fat, getting into shape, and stuff like that, which will get you really motivated. The next step is to let go of your expectation to be perfect. And this is big. Your perfectionist tendency can hold you back from doing stuff, and worse, can even make you lose your motivation with thoughts like, oh my god, I need to spend so much time perfecting this, so why even bother doing it? And this can be a major hindrance if you want to stay motivated. You have to remember that done is better than perfect, so start focusing on getting things done rather than perfect. The next step would be to do what you love and what you're passionate about. When you follow your passions and what you're good at, focusing on using your strengths, it is hard and almost impossible to lose your motivation. Last and final tip would be to find a mentor or a coach that can get you motivated and stay on track. Never shy away from asking for help or seeking guidance, especially if you want to stay motivated and see fast results. So there you have it. And before you go, leave me a comment down below on what tip you're going to use today to get yourself motivated, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye now.